guys, today
back to another tutorial of
look
inside.
We're gonna
Destroy
a
fidget spinner.
We're gonna destroy
a fidget spinner.
So first,
For 1 hour.
no, not 1 hour is too much.
Yeah, too much.
I think
2 hours.
Let's see this one. I don't think it'll do nothing. So
let's just destroy it.
I don't think they do nothing.
Let's just destroy with our fingers.
So
destroy with
we're gonna use the power.
Fire for the super duper flying flames.
Stay here.
Okay.
Be safe.
Okay, I'm.
All right, so we're gonna go.
Crazy.
We're gonna do this right here.
We're gonna be like a savage.
We're gonna spin it.
Burn this. Let's burn this on fire, and then
don't try this home.
At home, this is dangerous, isn't it?
Dangerous.
Oh my God! Oh my God! It's in fire. It's fire. It's in fire. It's in fire. Okay, this will be dangerous.
So we're gonna see how it works.
You're melting. You're melting it. You're melting it.
Don't do this at home.
You're melting in the
It's fine. Nothing happens.
Nothing happened.
It's acrylic, so nothing can happen.
Nothing bad. Oh my God! It looks like from Discovery Go, like those people make those swords. Yeah, with knives and stuff. Yeah, yeah, Daddy. Like shaman stuff. Yeah, Daddy. Yeah, Papa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we're done now.
Let's see.
So I'm back now. Oh my God!
Let's try something with the fidget spinner.
Oh! Sorry, fidget spinner. We're sorry.
Oh
my God! Smoke, we see.
It's only a smoke. Whoa!
Whoa! What?
Halfway done.
Okay, let's do the other way.
Careful, kids. This is super looking.
Scared.
Oh my God! This is like look at easy.
It looks like we're burning a campfire.
Wow! It's
Yeah.
easy to do it.
I know. Joe's gonna be upset.
Okay.
Joe's gonna be so upset.
The lights on. Let's do this again.
Let's be a savage.
Joey, if you see this video, don't cry because we destroy your fidget spinner.
Well, that's okay. You can buy another one. A fidget spinner. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Looks like it's going good.
It's 2:51, 54, 55.
Okay. We're back to the red button.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay, that's
Let's
cool.
see. Is this?
I'm back now.
Hold on, John. You can go back. But now I think I don't want to burn myself.
Yeah.
We're gonna use another hand.
No, I don't want to be smoked. I don't want to be
Look at guys. Look at.
Oh!
We did it.
It's smoking.
Lo hicimos.
His daddy says
We did it.
John, when you say something in Spanish,
Spanish.
when you say something in Spanish, they'll show words in English, yeah?
Ooh, look
Good
at this. I cannot even.
Okay, I hate this.
Oh.
Come on, Dad. This is...
Oh, I did it.
Look,
It's actually holding. Oh, I already blow out that thing.
good.
The light. Oh no! It's still working. See, it's still working.
Okay, that's bad. Let's destroy it. Let's just...
It's still working. I can't believe that. Oh. It's gone. Oh, it's still. Oh, it's not working anymore.
Oh, good.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
The video's not over yet.
This is another one. Hopefully you like.
Hope you like and subscribe.
Subscribe, comment,
And have a good vacation, all of you kids.
Okay, this is.
You'll be a different grade. High five.
I forgot the high five. Okay, this is a bye high five. Boo. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Check another video about looking inside.